Namaste guys, welcome to your own channel Indian Geopolitics. So there is a great news coming from Indian petrochemical industry where India has done the unimaginable. India has surpassed oil-rich country Saudi Arabia to become the top fuel supplier to the Europe in year 2023. Yes, you heard it correctly. India became top supplier of petroleum product to Europe in year 2023. This is a classic example of what we can call a butterfly effect in global geopolitics, where one action in some part of the universe has some unexpected consequence in other part of the universe. In the current Russia-Ukraine conflict, no one was expecting India to become the top beneficiary of this conflict, especially at a time when West had tried its best to stop India from buying Russian oil. India, after refusing to follow the Western sanctions, started importing cheap Russian oil at much larger scale. This, when coupled with the immense refining capacity of Indian oil refineries, helped India to use this crisis to its advantage. India has one of the largest oil refining capacity in the world, with its largest plant, Reliance Industries Refinery, located in Jamnagar in the state of Gujarat. If you compare India's petroleum export to Europe in year 2023 with that of Russia, India's export was minuscule. However, post-Ukraine-Russia conflict, it changed dramatically, where Europe completely stopped the import of Russian oil, and India's strategic and industrial thinkers were quick enough to replace Russia as the oil supplier to Europe. This is the clear result of India standing up to the West and thinking of its national interests rather than dancing to the tunes of the West. This one major step has not only allowed India to control its domestic inflation, but is even allowing it to earn huge revenues from these exports. The best part is that even if Russia-Ukraine conflict stops in near future, the European nations would still not allow import of Russian fuels. So this would further allow India to gain benefits in economical sense for years to come. Stay tuned to know more. Like and subscribe your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.